Hey y'all, so this is going to be a little bit of a different tutorial that we're going to do. It's going to be a Cricut tutorial, and basically what I'm going to show you how, or what I do, is how I'll show you how to upload. Say that you get your item from Etsy or something like that and you want to upload it into your Cricut design space. I'll show you how to do that. But mainly what I'm trying to show you how to do is how to get your design where it will fit, like on this heart. So this heart comes from Dollar Tree, and we are going to, it's the chalkboard, and we're going to make it so that I can make the sign so that I can put it on a wreath. All right, so real quick, I'm going to share my screen with y'all, and we will get started. Okay, so let's make this a little bit bigger so you can kind of see me as we go along with this. Okay, guys? All right. So I've already got it pulled up into my design space, but real quick, let's say that you wanted to let this will actually be available on Etsy. So if you want to buy this and you want to bring it into Etsy, just go to upload. You will upload the image. Say if it's from, you know, you'll have it put somewhere on your computer. You just upload the image here. You'll browse and find it. I don't know, it was on, I don't know if it was on this computer or not, but let's see. I don't know. There it is. So there it is. It's already into an SVG file, which if you purchase this from Etsy, it should already be into an SVG file. And then you would just hit save. There it is. Now all you would do is click it and insert the image into your canvas. But I've already got mine, so I'm just going to drop my mouse and hit cancel. And we are going to decide how big we want to make. I'm just going to take my little thing here. How big I need my design to be. So I'm thinking about 6 inches in length, maybe 7 inches in width. So it's a good size. Now, if you look up here, this is your size. My width is 5, and then my height is 5. Let's see. We've got to remember that this has the heart, you know, it's, I don't want it to be too wide. I'm going to try to go with my width being about 6. So that is technically how you change it. There is a lock button right here. So if you wanted to hit Axel, stop, I'm doing something. If you wanted to hit the unlock, you would go here. And basically what that does is, Axel, no. That lets you stretch it. So you could stretch it, you know, if you wanted to stretch the wording and everything. All right, so I'm going to go and undo that. All right, is it ready? All right, so now it is ready, and all I have to do is do the make it. I am going to use just a, it's the Duck brand shelf liner. That's all I'm going to use in order to create my stencil. And when we come back, we will make the heart. So we'll make the chalkboard and get it ready. Okay, guys? See y'all shortly.
Alright guys, so here's our heart, but first we need to get our stencil made, okay? Now, I did not have any more of my Duck brand that I like to use, the shelf liner. So I had to go with a vinyl, and that's okay. It's just going to use what I've got, okay? So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take all this out because we want to paint it. And we're just creating a stencil, so. Okay, next we're going, now this is the Duck brand clear adhesive liner. It is wonderful, guys, wonderful. You get it at Walmart, I think. Pretty sure is where I got this one from. Do not knock over. Alright, so we're just going to kind of, I like to go over sometimes with the sticky stuff. Carlton. Pull this. You can just use a regular like food scraper. I have several of those actually, but I do have this that I'm using right now. But I have several of the little food scrapers that are very, very cheap. I got from Walmart, and I'll use those as well. Okay. Let's bring this over. Make this in. Got a lot of glitter right there. Okay, so what I'm doing is making sure that white doesn't get in here. I think I'm good. Okay. So we'll just lay this on here. We're just going to use the white Waverly paint, chalk paint. That's what I love to use on here. course. Colton says, of course. Okay, guys. So let me kind of show it to you. There it is. Alright, so I will do another tutorial when on how to put this into a wreath. I've got a wreath in mind, so I'll show y'all how to make it into a wreath. But this is just the Dollar Tree sign and turning it into something beautiful for your wreaths for Valentine's. See y'all later.